Hello guys, so this is the time for class project and we're in our class project number 2 where you guys will be making your own design, whether it's a mobile app design or a web page design. It totally depends on you. And after that, you guys need to do prototyping. I have already shown you guys in the tutorial how you can do that. So few steps which you need to follow, I'll be showing you guys and also be giving you a demo. So let's jump into that one. So the first thing is you need to create your own particular design, and as I've told you, can be a web design or even a mobile app design. And make sure that you guys use a minimum of 4 frames. But if you're making something bigger or something which consists of 10 frames or more than that, you guys are always welcome. I would really love to check out your works. Okay. And after that, you guys need to go to the prototyping option, which is just beside the design option, and connect the frames with the icons, icon with the frames. Then after that, turn on the present mode, as I know there is 2 modes, the present and the preview mode. So just open present mode because it will open in a new window. And after that, just share the link of your project in our project window, and I'll be checking those out and see that how much progress you guys have done and what all you have learned from the tutorial. So let me show you guys a demo here. So here I have already made a design. Okay, so this design I have shown you guys in the tutorial as well. So I will just show you guys the prototyping as I have already made the design. But you guys make your own design. Try to make those things. You can also get help from the Figma community as well. Take up their fonts, icons, their page style. You guys can take those and make your own. Okay. So now what I'll be doing is I'll go to the prototype option, and after going to the prototype option, here you guys can see I can select this from here, as you can see, and I will link this one with this page. And I can also change this. It should be instant or dissolve. So let me just give this one a dissolve. This, I'll just select this button right here. Take this one and connect with this. Okay, enter. Then this one with the last one. Okay, and enter. And I want to go back to my home page whenever I click on this particular home button. So what I'll do is I'll just connect all these home buttons with the first page. Enter. Okay, this one, enter. Select this one, and again I will connect with this, then I'll press on enter. So I did my prototyping. So if I want to see the prototyping, here you guys can see I have connected icons with frames, frames with the icons. And now what you guys will be doing is you guys come up here on this option and select this present option. Okay, not the preview one, the present. And here you guys will be able to see that it is loading in a new page or a new window. Okay, so now what I can do is if I click onto this relaxation one, here you can see I can go back there, click on this page. Here I am back to this one again, and the same way Here also I can do, if I can also manually go back, and here I can click on this one, it will redirect me to this page. So what all you guys can do is share your work with me. Come here in the share prototype option, just click here, okay, anyone with the link, and just put it as can view, because I won't be editing your one. Okay, so just select this one, and you can just copy the link from here and just put that particular link in our project box. Simple as that. So I'll be hoping to see all your work and how you design your page. I will see the capability of you after joining this class of how you can design your own web page and also prototype accordingly. So take care everyone. Hope to see your work